Rock of Ages Orphanage was located along Soweto Layout, a few steps away from our school, Future Stars Primary School. That was where we lived. At the entrance was the security post where David, the young and energetic security man, always sat with his brown parachute-like cap on his head and a long stick in his right hand, always listening to his little transistor radio and ready to fling wide the gates for the visitors who came in different cars. He was the one who watered the flowers and trimmed them to admirable heights. Our own building was by the left side of the compound, whereas that of the nuns who took care of us was at the right. The two structures were painted brown except for the general chapel, which stood gently beside the nuns' apartment. It was painted blue and the pillars were white. At the entrance were a very large crucifix and an offering box with an inscription by the side, "Help the poor." Our environment was very serene except in the evenings when we came out and played hide-and-seek games around the flowers. The boys played football and Mortal Kombat while they shouted uncontrollably at one another to either score a goal or to dribble and pass the ball to the next available player to score a goal, as though they were in a football pitch. We, the potential mothers, were always busy during these occasions, preparing rice and stew or vegetable soup. Ours was gentler than that of the boys. David was always shouting at us to leave the flowers alone and to stop cutting and slicing the leaves for vegetables and spices. The sandy soil around the car park was poured into the empty tins of tomato paste which we boiled on our improvised stoves. At the orphanage home, we had everything we needed: toys, food, clothes, money, textbooks, and assorted shoes. We felt the absence of parents in our lives only when our classmates in the school entered their parents' cars after school hours, waving at us continuously at the back while we, the children of Ario, headed